Krishna. I'm really feeling attached to everybody.
Wonderful.
Right from the beginning, because we really got a warm welcome from all of us. So I'm heartily thanks to all of you. And I would make sure that I, keep the same spirit that you all have as a family. So thanks a lot for everything.
Can we do without mic, please? Can we do without mic? Okay,
Now it's Prashant time.
Now Prashant is going to come and speak something for us.
Yeah.
Please, Prashant.
What do you want me to tell? I guess everyone knows me, Jessica. I think I'm just excited here because I'm seeing everyone like after maybe what 8.5, 9 years. एक मिनट से Thank you. I'm son of Jitendra bhai. If anyone, I don't know. We don't know Jitendra. We don't know.
Now you're engaged. Now give that. Everybody knows you. What people don't know is your bride. Right?
Yeah.
That's not fair. That's not fair.
No, you have to speak something about her now. Introduce her properly to us.
I guess.
Hello, Prashant.
We
આ તારો છેલ્લો મોકો છે બોલો. I will release it.
Yeah.
No, the reason I'm doing it is this.
Mic માં sensor છે.
Hello, mic માં sensor. The reason I am doing this is I am not relieving him as such, but she really invited me to talk, and I want to talk. You said you would be affectionate. Let me tell you, this is a wonderful family. It's a very affectionate family. You can see almost 100 people have gathered together. And it's a very well knit family. Although we don't meet very often, we really enjoy when we are together. And God's grace has been wonderful. Everyone in the family, down the line you go to anywhere, everyone is very, very happy, truly happy. I would only wish you are definitely coming here and you are going to add to joy. But what I would suggest is, or what I would wish is, you people, since you are going to be living in USA, you must remember this is a wonderful country. Ours is a wonderful country. And if you get an opportunity, you may or may not, but in case you get an opportunity, try to fly back. Try to fly back. If you fly back, you will have wonderful people here. And life is absolutely wonderful here. Things are changing in this country. Prashant, you may not be aware too much, but let me tell you, this country is much different from what you had left. And there will be opportunities galore. So keep it in mind. I'm not saying you live there if you're happy, fine. But you must take an opportunity before it is too late. Just in case. If you can make it to come back, you will never regret.
Doesn't matter if I live for 20 some years or 25 years, I'm still in India.
Alright. I hope Prashant and Meghal have got all the small pieces of the advices which you need to get. Alright. So I would also take an opportunity to welcome Amit, who's also come after a very, very long time to this country, to us, I should say. So welcome to India, Amit. Please share what you're feeling about. Amit, now it's my time to stop calling him Laddu. We need to call him Amit.
Hello everyone, Jai Shri Krishna બધાને. લાલાભાઈનો સન તમે બધા એમને લાલાભાઈ કેવું છે? જીતેન્દ્રભાઈ.
Actually, હું લાલાભાઈનો લડ્ડુ.
હું બોલવાનો જ હતો actually. મારું નામ અમિત છે પણ કોઈ કહેતું નથી અમિત. ઇવન યુએસ માં પણ બધા લડ્ડુ કહે છે. અને in fact I like it that way. પોતાના લોકો હોય તો લડ્ડુ કહે.
લડ્ડુ કહે તો કોઈ વાંધો નહીં.
They don't know what they are doing.
Okay, how are you feeling?
It's great. I'm actually a little bit speechless because two big occasions today. I'm seeing every one of the family under one roof. Such a great day, great atmosphere. Bobby's into our family, so we have what was missing for a long time. In the US, me and Bai found because something was missing, you know. And now Bobby's here, and hopefully that fills in the gap.
I must tell one more thing. You know, this family is called Natharal Kaidas family. This is for the benefit of the newcomers. You know, we had some exceptional people in this family, and Lalabai's father was a truly exceptional person. He was such a wonderful person. He is carrying the torch. He is carrying the torch and he's carrying it well. But he was a wonderful person. He met with an accident and went away. Each one of us misses him. And he was truly, he reached out to everyone, and he was a wonderful person. It's difficult to describe him. But I want to tell you, you should know where exactly you are getting in. That's why I'm saying this.
All right. The new member has been given enough welcome speeches. The old ones have also given even enough speeches. After Shashi Aunty finishes with her speech, I am in India for a very long time. પણ મેં પણ ઘણા બધા લોકોને આજે બહુ બધા ટાઈમ પછી જોયા. તો I would just 10 કે 15 મિનિટ લાગશે. આપણે બધા પોતપોતાનું એક સેલ્ફ ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન આપી દઈશું નવા મેમ્બર્સ માટે અને જૂના મેમ્બર્સ જે તમને ભૂલી ગયા છે એમના માટે. ઓલરાઈટ, એક જ, just one line, that's it. Is that fine for everyone? Shashi Aunty, over to you.
Yeah. Jai Shri Krishna. Today I am very, very happy because my family photograph will be a bigger one.
All right. Okay. તો આપણા નાથારામ કાલિદાસ અને જે નવા મેમ્બર્સ આવ્યા છે એમનું પોતાનું એક સેલ્ફ ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન આપી દેશે. શીલા આંટી બધા પોતપોતાનું એક સેલ્ફ ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન આપી દેશે. ઓકે, વી સ્ટાર્ટ વિથ શામુ અંકલ. Shamu uncle, I'm getting mic to you.